Hi everybody, my name is Kimberly Ortiz. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about how to put your frosting in a piping bag and then different kinds of designs you can make with a star tip. So first I have my piping bag. I cut a little hole in the bottom, enough for my tip to fit inside. I'm gonna put my frosting in. And the tip to this is to not overfill your bag so you don't have it like oozing out the top. So I just like to fill it a little bit. And like I said, I have a star tip that I'm using, and it makes like a nice shell border, or it can make really nice rosettes. So you put your frosting in and you kind of smush it down in your bag so you don't have any air pockets. And then it's kind of like a medium pressure. You don't want to like smush it out of the bag too fast because you want to have some control. So when I make rosettes, I put my tip down but not touching the plate, and then I make like a circle, just like that. And then another design that you can make is the shell border, which is kind of what you would find on if you went to the supermarket and you saw the border going around their cakes, and that's real easy. It's kind of like an ocean wave. So you put your tip down, you go a little bit forward, and then you pull back. And then what you do is you just continue on with that. So you'll connect it. So you overlap a little bit, you go down, and then you connect. It's kind of like a wave. And then in the next video, you'll see some examples of how I use the rosettes doing my Black Forest open layered cake. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you later. Today I'm going to demonstrate for you how I make my open layer Black Forest cake using chocolate cake frosting that I had made, some chocolate sprinkles, and some maraschino cherries. So the first thing that I did was I baked the cake, and what I do is that before I put my batter in the bottom, I like to layer it with a wax paper so it's easy to come off. It's nice and clean, so you don't have any sticking to the bottom of your pan. Okay, so I've evened out one of my layers. I just took the chunk that always bakes on top. I just used a serrated knife and I just trimmed it down so it's nice and flat. So I take my frosting that I had made using butter, powdered sugar, a little bit of Crisco, and I mixed it all together. So that's the powdered sugar, the butter, my Crisco, and I just put it in my KitchenAid and I just whip it till it's nice and flat. So there's no wrong or right way to make a cake. It's basically what you have on hand at the moment. So I'm going to go with an open layered cake because that's what I'm going to choose to make today. So I put my thin layer down, and then I take a couple of my cherries and I'll just randomly put a couple of them in here for my little filling. It's my baby Callie. She's excited about the cake. I'm gonna push them down a little bit. Then I take my top layer of my cake and I'll put it right down on top and push it down a little bit. So it's like a little surprise every time you take a bite of cake, you get a little cherry. And then I take a decent amount of my frosting and I'll put it on top. So we're not going to go all around the cake. We're just going to do the top layer. There we go. And then I have in my piping bag, I have some more of my frosting, and I have a star tip. So I'm just gonna do little rosettes around my cake. And then I'm gonna put a cherry on top, each one of the little rosettes of the frosting. go. I made sure to dry my maraschino cherries on a paper towel so you don't have that residual liquid. Actually, since I have enough, I can just put a little one for the top. Chocolate sprinkles, and we'll just sprinkle it around the top. And that's how quick and fast I can make my open layer Black Forest cake, just using things on hand. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you later.
Wasn't that video helpful? If you thought so, don't forget to like and share it on YouTube and Facebook. If you want more information on cake decorating, check out some of the books that the library has to offer on the subject. And don't forget the library also offers cake pans. They come in a variety of styles and can be checked out for 21 days, just like a book. Place one on hold today and give it a try. We'll see you in the next video.